Christmas, there's lots happening still, even though we've just had our Christmas fest. So next week, make sure that you join us for our evening service. Just to note that there's no morning service next week. It will be our carol service next week on Christmas Eve. And of course, on the Monday following that will be Christmas Day, where you can join us for 10:30 for an hour praise to worship our good Saviour Jesus. But just a note, tonight there's no evening service, so remember that. And we'll be back in the new year on the 7th of January, where we'll be seeing our review of the year, and we'll be catching up again after the Christmas break. So make a note of all of that. Pick up a Christmas flyer if you need any more info on that, and we'll see you in the new year.
God, our Heavenly Father, our blessed angel came.
In the new year, from the 16th of January, we're going to be hosting a 5-week course for anyone who has suffered or experienced substance abuse. This is for alcohol or drugs, and it's a place where you can rebuild, relearn and renew yourself for the new year. So that's going to be happening from the 16th of January. You have to sign up for this. So if you head to our website or email us, you'll get more information about that, or talk to one of our our welcome team to get more information about that, if that could help you. Don't forget that we're going to be bringing in the new year on December the 31st at our crossover event. So if you're around and you want to come for that, it's starting at 7 p.m. You can come for some food, some refreshments, and then we're going to celebrate the whole night and let in the new year together. So we'd love to see you for our crossover event for New Year. So guys, that is all for Excel News. Have a great week.